Hey, how's it going everybody? Today we're going to be installing a Yakima roof rack on my Audi A4 behind me here. Now, if you're wondering, today I am going to be wearing a respirator outside while I'm working due to the California wildfires and Oregon wildfires and partially in Washington wildfires. Our air quality isn't too good right now. So don't let that disturb you, and let's get to the install. Alright guys, thanks for watching this install of the Yakima baseline roof rack on my Audi A4. I think the car looks a lot cooler, and plus I'm going to be able to get my skis and snowboards up there, take them to the mountain, and a couple of buds too. Yeah, I think this is going to make the car a lot more usable for utility's sake, and it's still going to be a lot of fun as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it with your friends if you want to. Follow my Instagram @WidgeTheWiz, and I'll see you next time.